Hi, welcome back to ladangtekno. Today I will show you how to use one of Google feature. This name is Google Image Search. What is Google Image Search? Okay, Google Image Search is one feature by Google that allowed you to search in Google search engine with image. Okay, you can search in Google search image with image that you have the image. Okay, maybe like this. Okay, I have image like this is orange. I get this image from Google, and now I will search to Google image like this. Okay, like orange. Okay, now I will show you how to press search in Google. You can search image search. Okay, search now the Google display the image search. You can use this image search by Google. You can click on this now. Okay, this is the Google image front page or landing page. Now to search with image, you only need a simple step. Now you can click on this is a camera feature or camera logo. You can add camera icon, click on this is can you search with image URL. This is maybe you have an image on our website and you want to know what is the image mean or where is the image from, or you can upload image from your computer, so you can find on Google what is similar with your image or what is where is your image come from. Okay, now first you can get your image on desktop. Okay, you can see this. I click on orange, click open. Okay, Google will uploading your image, so wait till this process end. This is the process, maybe takes time. This time is depend on your internet connection or your image size. So if you image have a bigger size, this is more take long time, and if you have a slower internet connection, this is more take long time again. So let's wait for this loading. Oh, okay, this is now the image set already, and this is the result of the search. You can view some image. Okay, this is a email related with your set your image, and Google show some. This is possible related to your set. Okay, the Google say this is jeruk, or you can in English like orange. You can click this if you agree with the Google. So is this is in Indonesian. This is jeruk or citrus. Okay, this is the jeruk have so many variant. So you can get information about your image, or the image is same with your image. Okay, so that is a tutorial how to use Google Image to a Google Image set, and to set image with your image that you can find some image that similar with your image, or you can know your image come from where. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and thank you.